Hi, this is Nolan from Bench-Mark.ca, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to inverse between points. I'm going to be doing this over two different methods and two different set of points as well. So to begin here, I'm going to select the first point of a three-point arc. So in this case I'm going to use 10, 9, 8. And if I select 10, it's going to bring up my point options menu here, and I'm going to hit the ruler there at the bottom, which is going to bring up my inverse tool option with my start point of 10. And then in the drop down where it says straight there, I'm going to change that to arc 3 point. And then I'm going to select 0.9 and 0.8. And as you can see, I now have an arc with a length of 14 meters that is from 10, 9, 8 and is again in a perfect arc. And if I want to see more information about this arc, I can hit info and I can see all the relevant information that's been calculated here. So if I just scroll through that and then hit close. So I'm just going to go back to my map screen here by hitting the red X. And then once there, I'm going to hit the plumb bob icon in the bottom left corner, which is going to bring up my menu, from which I'm going to choose calculations and then the first option there, inverse. So once I'm in this inverse tool here, I'm going to again show you how to do it for a straight line. So I'm going to select my first point, which is going to be 0.14, and then my end point, which is 0.15. And as you can see, that creates an arrow from 0.14 to 15 and gives me the distance and heading. And again, if I wanted to see more information, I just hit that blue info button there. And that's it. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or anything you've seen on our website or YouTube channel, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit us on the web at Bench-Mark.ca.